Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a gradient layered pricing badge using custom shapes in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and set a square canvas for the badge. First I draw a circular custom shape as the badge base. Then I apply a radial gradient from gold to orange to give it a premium look. After that I duplicate the circle, scale it slightly larger, and darken it for layering. Now I add a thin stroke using layer styles to define the edge. Next I apply inner shadow and subtle bevel for a 3D feel. Then I place small accent shapes around the badge for decoration. After this I adjust gradient balance and shadows carefully. Finally I zoom out and polish the badge until it feels rich and